When constructing a Brandon wall, I'm always going to begin with my heaviest course, my 7-inch block. You can see that I can build one of two ways. I can build maintaining the taper and using the longest face in a structural application. I can also switch back and forth, taper to taper, and then I can build in a double-sided application. So I have a lot of options here in a structural or double-sided application. Using my heaviest course in the bottom is going to give me the greatest integrity. From there, I'm going to use my 3/4 inch clean stone, and I'm going to make sure to fill all these cavities and the tapers between the units. Once I've done that and my base course is in and it's level front to back, side to side, and amongst each other, I'll be able to start the construction of my wall. Now I can use my corner unit, which is finished on 3 sides, and I can use that in a structural application or in a pillar application or to build 90s or 45s. I can line that unit up to get my return and intertwine my corner for the greatest amount of integrity. I would put a small dab of adhesive between those courses. As you can see, my blocks are lined up here in a way that represents the 7s in 3 different lengths and the 3.5s in their complementary lengths. So I can build this wall in a linear fashion, switching back and forth between 7s and 3.5s, or I can build patterns or completely random and modular. So one of the ways to build would be to start with my 3.5 inch unit using the Techo-Block patented clip system packaged with the unit, sliding it through this channel, and you can see it picks up the channel on the subsequent course, sliding it down through, picks up the channel, and now I will front justify that unit, and again I would be core filling that with aggregate. So I'll start with that unit, I'll move to the next smaller unit, making sure that I'm breaking my bonds, again sliding that clip down through, picking up the chip clip or alignment bar on the next course, down through, and I'm ready to go. I love this little bump out on the side of the block, giving me that mortared look, that masonry stone veneer look. Great component aesthetically of the Brandon wall. Slide my next block into place, get my alignment clip bar in there, picking up subsequent course, slide that forward. Again, front justifying toward that. You don't want any lateral load or hydrostatic pressure behind your wall forcing it forward. Again, if I'm building a structural application, I would be core filling those tapers and core filling the units. From there, I can go in the opposite order. I can start with my middle unit, making sure I'm constructing thumbprint up, breaking my bond, making sure my clip lines up, slide it right down through there. Then I'll go my longest unit. Love these spacer bars here, giving me that mortared in look on that vertical wall component. Slide my clip down in, slide my next clip down through that block, front justify the unit, and then my last 7-inch unit. And once I've installed my final clips, again, make sure to core fill. I can have my 3.5s and then in an opposite order my 7s, and it gives me a random masonry veneer type look. Now I can go back to my 7s to break up that linear effect.